National Theatre Wales presents Circle of Fifths, an immersive theatre experience celebrating life in death. The show explores what connects us in times of grief and loss, using film, music, and real-life stories from Bute Town, Wales's oldest multicultural community and beyond. Director Gavin Porter, a film and theatre maker from Bute Town, created this show with musicians and artists from his community. Together they offer us a moment of collective reflection and celebration. First presented in Cardiff in 2022, Circle of Fifths is touring venues across Wales and to London. Circle of Fifths will be travelling to the Riverfront, Newport from 19th to the 21st of October. The performance on the 19th of October will be BSL interpreted by Nez Parr. Ebervale Institute, Ebervale on the 26th of October. Black Park Chapel, Chirk on the 28th of October. Small World Theatre, Cardigan on the 3rd of November. Drill Hall, Chepstow on the 8th of November. Hopkins Town Hall, Pontypridd on the 10th of November. Bute Town Community Centre, Cardiff from 11th and the 12th of November. The performance on the 11th of November will begin at 7 p.m. The performance on the 12th of November will begin at 1 p.m, BSL interpreted by Nez Parr. Brixton House, London from the 17th to the 20th of January. All performances start at 7 p.m, except for the matinees performance, which starts at 1 p.m. Circle of Fifths is a pay-what-you-decide event. This means you can choose a price that works for you. Tickets start from £7. Please note that this is a standing show with some seating provided. Full access information for each venue is available on our website. Head to nationaltheatrewales.org/events/Circle of Fifths to find out more.